Howdy ho, Stampers. Deb Valder here, your Fun Stampers Journey Coach, and today I'm going to show you this really fun card to do using this new die called Hello. It is actually in the 2018 Spring into Summer Mini Catalog that ends at the end of June, and this is called a huge Hello die, and it just says the word hello, but it's a lot of fun. This is the card that I'm going to show you today, but I wanted to show you another card that actually two more cards that I have done. I took and I used the hello and I cut it out several different times with different colors of blues, and I just put them together, offset them just a little bit. It's got so much dimension. And then I used the stamp set called Absolutely Celebrate Everything. It's just a cute little stamp set. Has a lot of different words in here, some really fun little dots and doodads in there. But that's what I used on this card right here. And look at the word hello. It is so dimensional. And then what I did was I didn't throw away the outline or the negative to that. I took and I absolutely attached it to this card right here. Isn't that adorable? So here it is here, and then the stuff that would have normally been thrown away, I just used on this card, and dimension upon dimension, it's absolutely gorgeous. Using that little die, hello. All right, and the other die that I'm going to be using in this same card is called Lots of Dots, and I have been selling a lot of these. They are just so cute. All the little things that you can do with this Lots of Dots and the large hello. All right, so let's get started. We're going to take and grab our card base, which is going to be our lemon drop. And I want to show you, let me just take this off of here because I didn't attach it. So this is the card without the card base. I wanted to show you the back end of it, and all I did was I took some of our strips that were just scrap paper and attached them to the back. And that's how I got all the different colors here. And then added a couple of little tags to go along with it, a little embellishment, and the word hello. So easy. So let me attach it to my card again. I actually used my foam squares to pop it up just a little bit. This card has a lot of dimension going on here. All right, so let's grab one of our little, I've already pre-cut this, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of our journey glue and just run it down the side right here. And that's the easiest way to attach these. All right. And we're just going to go in the order that I have here. There's no set order really. So I'm just going to attach this one. I might have to trim some of these off just a little bit. Okay. There we go. Alrighty, and then the next one is going to be my blue one. This is actually turbo teal. And we just want to make sure we're covering the dots. Oops, let's cut that a little bit more. Like I said, these are just scraps, so there's no rhyme or reason to. I'm going to cut all of these just ahead so that they're all about the same. And you can either do that on your, let me make sure that this one is going to fit here. Yep, so just a little bit smaller on this one. There we go. I think those should fit. Let's see. All right, so let's get our turbo teal out here. Oh, not turbo teal. We got lemon drop to match our card. And then I'm going to take my watermelon. There we go. And then we're going to take our electric lime. Just a fun card. Orange rave. And we're going to finish it off with candy apple. And when they're all done, let me just push this one over just a tad bit. There we go. Oh, so cute. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And so easy. All right, so now we're all done with that. We can take and we can pop that up onto our card with our dimensionals. We're going to do that right over here. And then there we go, add it to our card base. Let's add our little, again, dimensional on this one. It's so much fun. Lots of cute little things on here to embellish it with. All right, we'll put that right over here. So cute. And then we're going to add, I think we'll just take and use our Easy Glide for this one. Isn't this such a fun card? Alrighty, we'll just go at an angle like that. Now, let's grab our hello. I've already got one cut out. I always do them ahead of time. Alright, I'm just going to take some of my craft glue here because it's one of my favorite glues ever. And I'm just going to dot it where I need it. You really need to try this glue because it is amazing. Alright, and then we're going to take and add that to my card right here. Isn't this a fast card? So cute too. Alright, and then I'm just going to hold it for a second, and then I'm going to get out my Journey Glaze, and I am going to add my glaze. See how easy this is? Yes, I do it while it's on my project because it's that fast. There we go. And let's put the top on. I always take and I push that down there to the bottom so that it doesn't get stuck and clogged up. All right, now that's going to dry. After it dries, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of my bling, meaning my I'm going to add some Limeade Splash ribbon. I'm also going to add some black and white Journey thread, and then I'm also going to add some of my little mini candy drops, my candy minis. I think those add a lot to it, and they're the right colors to go along with our pieces right here. So that's all there is to this card, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you right now, it's a super easy card. And don't forget, you can take and you can layer to your heart's content to make, and don't throw anything away because now we've got the negative and we've got the positive. Isn't that so cute? I'll have these on my blog. Make sure you subscribe to my videos, my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to my blog. You don't want to miss a thing. And we've got a new catalog coming up, and I am going to be doing all kinds of things with that. So if you have any questions, you let me know. You take care, have a great day, and thank you so much for stopping by today. Bye-bye.